ljio f81e keypad light is always glowing. Or all Jio keypad mobile, the keypad light is always glowing. The solution is very simple. I will show you. This is Jio f81e. Keypad light is always glowing. Keypad light is always glowing. The solution is very simple. In lower keypad lights, two lights, one plus point is short with another minus point of keypad light. I will show you end of jumper end of the this video. I jumping this, no problem is solved. You watch till the end. I will show you the fault. This is the solution. Keypad light one plus point connect with another keypad light minus. The jumper wire is like this. Solution is 100% success. Thank you for watching my video.